I would show you how we use these GI formers that we've got in the studio. They're round the back near all the pot and member tools, and we've got loads of different sizes, and we've got a couple of different shapes of these as well. So I'm going to make a little mince pie plate, but I just thought I'd do a little demo on how we use these. So prepare your slab, release it from your board, and then put your former on top. Now then, you want the thinnest part of the former on the bottom like that, so the widest part is looking up at you. Fetch another board in, and then put some paper, some newspaper or something on the top, and then you're going to put this on top of your former, and then we're going to turn it over. Bit easier using two boards, so one hand underneath, one hand on the top, turn it over, and then just take your board away. Right, so what you're going to do is gently tap down around the outside, not going too hard with this, just very gently teasing that clay down those sides. And then you're going to take your rib. Now then, I'm working from home today and I've not got my little red rib, so I am just going to use my little card, but the red ribs that we've got make this a little bit easier. So we're going to come in at one side and we're going to work upwards up your former like that, and we're going to come all the way around. So just coming up those sides, just gradually work your way around that form, and then you're going to come over the top as well like that. Just really quickly. You're going to come upwards, and then you're going to go the other way and come downwards. And I think I've swapped what I was doing there halfway around. Alrighty, so come round and then go back the other way, like so. Around the top. Like I said, those little red ribs make a lot better than using that. Okay, no, it's not quite right at that, so I'm just going to do a little bit more on that. Alright, now then, you can leave a bit of a trim, or you can just cut straight to your former. Like that. And I'm just going to cut round. Using my knife, like so, and then I'm going to take that bit away. Okay, right, you're going to bring in your board. Now then, ordinarily I'll have another piece of paper so that when I turn it over it's sat on my paper, but I haven't got one with me, so I'll just show you. Turn it over again. And then there you go. Alright, I've not quite cut that right, so I'm just going to come in and just trim that round. Like so. And then you gently just tease the edges away. Ever so gently. It should just lift out, just like that. And then you've got your little dish, your little plate. Alright, if you want to add texture on it, do your texture while it's still flat, and then mould it over your former. And then what I've done, because I'm going to make a little mince pie plate, what have I done with my cornflour? Bear with me. And I'm back. Left it over the other computer. Right. So I'm just going to cornflour, I'm just going to dust it off, and then I've made, Steve's made a little mince pie, and then a little writing that says mince pies. So it's a little stamper, so So I'm just going to, in fact I might just line it up before I press it in. Get it where I want it. Like so. And then I'm just going to press down. And then lift off. And as you know, all this corn flour just burns out when we put it in the kiln. So there you go. Can't really see that. I do apologise, it's dark in here today. So mince pie. And then a little cut out. Now then, we have got this laser printer now that's making these stamps. So if you've got a project and you know you want particular something that we haven't got in the studio, give us a shout. And a bit of an image and a size, and we can probably make it up for you. Not going to be a problem with that. Now then, you can either leave your edges nice and straight like that, or you can make them a bit wavy. So, if you've ever done pastry in kitchen, bit of a thing, I'm going to put one finger underneath. I'm going to come in with these fingers, and I'm just going to push up like that. Trying to see the best angle to try and do it for you. So push under, come down and make a bit of a thing. And I'm just gradually just going to work my whole way around and give it a bit of a fluty edge. Like so. And then what I suggest you do is give it a blow dry with dryer. And then you can come in with a sponge, a damp sponge, and tidy up your edge. And just take those rough pieces off it. But there you go. One little mince pie plate with a little fluty edge. Alright, so that's how you use our formers. Give me a shout if you get stuck with it. Alright, sweeties.